please like and subscribe Tess Esteban para po ma-notify ka sa lahat ng mga videos po na aking i-upload. Thank you! Have a blessed day! The man is cleaning the fish pond. Yeah? Is that nice? It's a bit dirty because it did rain. How many fish is there? You keep talking. Yeah? That is the way he cleans.
The fish?
Yeah, he's cleaning the fish there. The fish pond. I think he didn't touch the fish. He's only taking out the leaves. You see, he's got a big fish net. Wow, look. It's cleaning. Wow. Here is okay. The man is there. If you go there, the man is watching you. See, he's there now. You wanna see? Oh. See, is it clean now? There's a chair here. Okay, we can sit down. Okay, yeah, until there. Do not go there then, because he's cleaning. You see, he is cleaning. He's taking off all the dirt. Is Auntie Gina watching us? Come on here. Just sit down here and take a look at the fish. Can we go there and ask the food of the fish? We're gonna feed the fish, you want?
Yeah?
No, the Uncle Albio. Look, the fish here is coming. I think they're waiting for food. 1, 2, 3. And where is the turtle?
Wow.
It's still dirty here. Right? It's not really clean. Maybe he's coming back. He's coming back to clean. Right? Do you think he's coming back to clean?
Tess Esteban. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.